we have modeling. Think we can use this. Okay. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to create a simple model like this. My client is a provider. Let light. She want a simple and cheapest 3D modeling. So I have a provide consolation to the client. We will model this like a fake face, because the most important thing in this picture is LED light. So we create this modeling simple like text box. First I will increase all the picture upscale quality by upscale. Use upscale. This is upscale software AI image upscaler. Okay. Next we use Tripo AI. I wanna test this to create a simple model. I think I will use this. Okay, I open with Photoshop or Paint. I will open it with Photoshop. I will crop this. I choose a view more clearly and okay. Use close tab tool. Press Alt to get the target. We will clean this file. Use L laser tool. Choose this sky and use eyedrop tool. Get this color and Alt delete. Ctrl D to deselect. You close stamp tool and click to get the target. Okay, that is not our construction. So we clean it for simple, for more clear to AI build this. I think that image client provider is were made by AI tool, some AI tool, because you see that car is very signature. Use edit content view aware. It's clean. Okay. Ctrl D, deselect it. And then Ctrl T, flip vertical, scale it here, enter, and use eraser tool, eraser this, set light Okay, then Control E and file save as, Control Shift S. Clear. Okay, we have a clear image, clear shape, builder image. We will use Tripo AI, create a simple model. Use Tripo AI version v2.5 generate. Okay, you need to log in. I can log in with email. Okay, generate again. Wait a minute. Okay, I think that is a little distorted. Okay, we have modeling. Then we can use this. Okay, download it. We download for 3ds. The lithopologies can reduce your detail, so I don't use lithopologies. Download. I think it's quite distorted, not the right shape. We will use this for, I think we can use this for reference only, not quality to use. Okay, we open 3D as Max.